Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to remove installed programs or apps in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Apps from the left side list. Go to Apps and Features. Scroll the list down and look for the app that you want to remove. Click on the three dots next to the app. Choose Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. A new window will appear. Click on Uninstall. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Wait until it's done. You can also select the app you need. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and look for Uninstall button. Click on it to remove the app. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!